when you have a lot of stress and anxiety from the mind, at the same time make the blockage, bring love and mindfulness into my movements, into my body, to reconcile, to connect, to have a joy and peace right away. So the exercise, when you do that way, just only 2 or 3 minutes, to breathe in and out in that way, you have a calmness and relaxing, and that's why it's healing happen. Sometimes we have a blockage in our body. Also, we have blockage in our mind, too much stress and anxieties and so on. And our body and our mind is like related. So we're so lucky that we know how to practice meditation. So at the same time, when we do exercise, do Qigong, it's not about do just only exercise, but we do in such a way that we bring mindfulness, love, and relaxing into our breathing, into our movements. When your breathing is short, just let it short. When your breathing is longer, let it longer. Bring attention, awareness back to your body, to the movements, combined with your in-breath and out-breath through your nostril, which naturally through your nostril is the best. At the same time, also be present for our body. And when you're standing, this afternoon you're standing, feel your feet on the ground. So wonderful to stand and actually feel connected to the earth. This moment is like very precious. So to holding your 2 palms together, 2 legs parallel together, as wide as a shoulder. Okay, breathe in, stretch apart. Breathe out, turn to the left. In, center. Out, open, and you bend down a little bit. Breathe in, stretch up. Out, turn to the right. In, stretch up. Out, open. Inhale. Stretch up. Exhale, turn to the left. In. Out. In, stretch up. Out, right turn. In, out. Inhale. Stretch up. Exhale, turn to the left. In, out. In, stretch up. Out, right turn. In, out. You allow yourself to relax your shoulders and your lower back, okay? In, out, left. In, center. Out, open. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Breathe in one more time. Stretch up. Out, turn to the left. In. Out. In. Out. Right. In, center. Out. So wonderful. Open the palms. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body. Relax your shoulders. Relax your back. Relax your neck. Next movement you call the circle arms, okay? Within your hands up, stand 2 legs as wide as the shoulder, the same. Breathe out, move down from the left. Allow your knees straight so you can reach as far as you can, okay? And move up again from the right. In and out, do reverse, okay? Breathe in, move up. Out, move down. You allow your back to be calm. You calm your back And you calm and ease your shoulders, okay? Relax your shoulder. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, go up. You make circle bigger and bigger, okay? Breathe in, up. Reverse. Relax your palms and your shoulders in. Relax your elbows. Out. When you move down to the earth and you let go. In. Out. Release tensions and letting go all anxieties from your shoulders. Breathe in. Up. Out. In. One more time. And then out. More down. In. Up. And then come back. Breathe out. Bring your mind back to the body. So the next movement we call the bending your lower back, okay? Your thumb and the fingers put together like this. And then you can put on your lower back, okay? Like this way. And then when you breathe in, you lift your head backward in this way, up this way. Breathe out, you bend your head forward, okay? You bend your lower back down. Look down to the earth. Actually, you can look through your two legs. So you bend as low as you can, okay? Don't force yourself. Breathe in, bend your head up. Look up, relax your neck. Breathe out, look down, forward, okay? Breathe in. Out. Allow your neck to relax, your lower back to relax. In, up, and out, down. To release tension from your lower back, to release tension from your neck. This one can heal your neck and your lower back, okay? In, up, out, down. You just breathe naturally, allow yourself to bend naturally. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. I feel so relaxed with my lower back. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out, slow. Relax my body. Release tension from my body, my shoulders, my lower back.